Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to open or record videos in Canon camera. So I'm currently using a Canon 80D. So in order to do that, all you have to do is first open your camera by clicking on this option. As this one opens up and you see the sensor is being cleaned up, and you have to switch this to red button. So this is on the white button, which is actually a photo taking process. We're going to click on this, and when you click on it, you will see an option like this. It's already showing the surface, and we're gonna click on this button which says start or stop. We're gonna click it. As you click it, you see a red dot, which means currently the video is being recorded on the Canon camera. So in case if you're done with recording your video, you can just click on close it, and that way your video has been recorded and it's easy to transfer. So if you think you have learned something in this video, make sure to leave a comment below, and we will catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.